Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 14 of Kai Sheridan vlogs, and for today we are going to the camel safari park again. Now, you may be wondering why I'm saying again. It's because I've already been there 2 times. Once on the jet ski, no, one on the Jeep Safari, and the first was when we went there the other day. I might not be able to film the entire day like last time, but I will try my very best. I might not be able to film the camel ride, but I might be able to film the camels and the kissing camel. I have no idea why I'm saying kissing camel, because it isn't even a kissing camel. Okay, so we just arrived and we're about to get on one of the camels. Everyone else is somewhere just somewhere up there in the little cafe over there. And and then we will be starting the half an hour or an hour ride. Oh, and also that just reminded me, I might not be able to film because, well, it might just be hard, because I might have to sit right at the top, like right here, right? Which is going to be quite hard for me, because, well, I'm afraid of heights, mainly. So yeah, I might not be able to film, but I will show you some photos. So we just came off the camels. I did sit right up here, which was a little bit scary as well. Now, firstly, if you're wondering where everyone else is, they are in the cafe, just having a little bit of lunch, while I'm out here just having a look around. So what I am going to do is I am going to post the pictures of the camels. Some photos will have me in it, but yeah. Oh, also they might be portrait, like straight up, which is alright for me. But I'd rather a landscape though. Okay, so we're just heading down to a village. And then we will head back to the the hotels. Also, I have a few more photos to show you of me, myself, and a parrot. Mainly me just holding a parrot, one on my shoulder, one on my arm, and I can't remember the other. I'll post the pictures onto here, and then, well, I might not film anything at the village. It all mainly depends on what's there and how long we're there for. And that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. If you have, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like me to do next time. And make sure to subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good stuff. Also, tomorrow is our going home day. So, firstly, I just want to say thank you for watching all of the vlogs. I know that most of them have been boring, because they have been boring, mainly. But well, actually, I have no idea, because I haven't been. Only because I haven't been watching them much. I will be vlogging tomorrow as normal, but I might not be able to make an ending. Alrighty. If I don't, what I'll do is I'll make the last video, I don't know, somewhere just before landing on the plane. So I will be seeing seeing you guys again tomorrow for the going home vlog. Have a great evening, everyone, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Goodbye.